My name is Philippa Collinson, I am a commis and I work at Grantley Hall. The dish I am going to do today is a Scotch egg with a nutmeg parsnip puree, confit egg yolks, pickled mushrooms and crispy Parma ham. We use British line eggs because for this dish we require the egg yolks to be runny. Boil the egg for 4 minutes. Once that's done, you take it out and put it in ice water for around 2 to 3 minutes. We peel the egg. After that, you coat it in a nice, roughly centimetre thick worth of sausage meat. And then you pan it in plain flour, egg whites and breadcrumbs. We double pan it to help form a nice crust. After that, you fry it in the fryer for around 7 minutes, and then you take it out the fryer and put it into the oven for 3 minutes to make sure it's properly cooked all the way through. After that, it's onto plating, so half your Scotch egg. Base the dish is the parsnip puree, which you heat on the stove first, and then spread it out onto the plate, followed by some dollops of confit egg yolk, some pickled mushrooms, some crispy Parma ham, and to finally finish off, some pea shoots. And then you place the egg on top with a little pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. And there we have the dish of a Scotch egg, nutmeg parsnip puree, confit egg yolks, pickled mushroom and crispy Parma ham.